For decades, Mars has been more than just a red dot in the night sky. It has been humanity's dream of a second home. But how close are we really to building a city on another planet? Let's dive into NASA's bold plan to turn science fiction into fact. NASA's Mars mission starts with the Artemis program, which will return humans to the moon. Why? Because the moon is our testing ground, a place to practice living off Earth before we take the 34-million-mile trip to Mars. Once ready, astronauts will ride aboard NASA's Orion spacecraft and dock with the Gateway, a space station orbiting the moon. From there, the journey to Mars begins, a 7-month voyage through deep space. When they land, survival will depend on two things: shelter and resources. NASA's plan is to build habitats using Martian soil, a process called in situ resource utilization. Robots will 3D print dome-like structures made of regolith, protecting humans from radiation and extreme temperatures. Power will come from nuclear microreactors and solar arrays. Food will be grown in controlled greenhouses using recycled water and hydroponics. Every breath of oxygen will be generated on-site using a system like MOXIE, which has already successfully created oxygen from Martian air aboard the Perseverance rover. And yes, there will be vehicles too. NASA and SpaceX are developing pressurized rovers that can travel miles across the dusty terrain, connecting small research bases that could one day grow into full-fledged cities. The goal isn't just to visit Mars, it's to stay. By the 2040s, NASA envisions a self-sustaining colony, scientists, engineers, and maybe even families, living on a world that once seemed impossible. Every step toward Mars brings us closer to answering the ultimate question: can humanity survive beyond Earth? And if so, what comes next? Like and subscribe to FactFlow, where curiosity never stops and the facts are always out of this world.